water. Yes, 8 glasses of water a day must be taken. But does it matter what type of water? Yes, it certainly does. Yes, it is one thing to drink adequate water, but it is another point to make sure that it is the best quality water. Unfortunately today, in many countries, fluoride and chlorine are put in water. So ideally, a water filter. And there are several water filters that you can get, but please look for ones that remove the fluoride. Reverse osmosis certainly does, and there are a few others that can do it. And you'll find that when you are filtering your water, it certainly tastes better. And yes, taste is important. Water doesn't have much taste, but if you drink water from a well-filtered filter compared to water from the tap, you'll see the difference, and you're more likely to drink it. I love water, and I make sure that I drink adequate water. Yes, we must be drinking 8 glasses at least a day. Yes, it's important to have good quality water. But also timing is important. The most dehydrated time of the whole day is when we wake up in the morning. So make sure when you go to bed, have a glass of water next to your bed. I have water always by me. Often it's just seawater. Remember to drink, because remember the first signal is often not there. And best to have it little by little. If you water a dry plant, the water rushes out the bottom, same with a dehydrated body. Best to have it little by little. What I do is I wake up in the morning, have half a glass of water. I get dressed, I have another half glass of water. I visit the bathroom, I have another half glass of water. I pray, I have another half glass of water. I aim for 3 to 4 glasses before I have breakfast. But there is something else, and this brings us into the third most vital element needed for life. What's the most vital element? Oxygen. That's another series. Water's the second, and the third is sodium. And we should be taking sodium into our body the way it's found in nature. In seawater, there are about 97 minerals, some in very, very tiny amounts, some in larger amounts. And you can get hand-harvested sea salts that have approximately 82 minerals, the Celtic salt, the Baja salt. They have 3 magnesiums in them, and magnesium is a water-hungry molecule. So if you take a small crystal of salt, put it in your mouth, crunch it a bit, and then have your water, the 3 magnesiums that are absorbed through your mucous membranes are taken to the cell wall, then you have your water, and the water is pulled into the cell. Quickest way to hydrate a body. So not only water, not only when you take it, little by little, but also take the supplements.